Hello guys, today we'll be looking at links. What are links? Links help us to navigate, that is from our current web page to another one. Actually, we have two types of links. That is the relative link that help us to navigate in our root folder, which the one we are using on our computer. And we have the external link, which help us to navigate, that is a web page outside our web page. Okay, now let's put it into code. I want us to rename this title to be, let's start it, links. Let's say about, just say links, about links. Let's delete this, but leave the paragraph. Okay, now let's try to put it in example, that is the relative link and the external link. Actually, what do you need in order to declare a link to be active? That is the anchor tab and the hyperreference, which is the locator of the URL. Okay, let me just say, if you want to know something, you can Google it. Let's make a Google it to be a link. Okay, now I want my a anchor tag here. Let's say A. Okay, now that's already give us. Let's put the link that we want here. Let's say Google it. Okay, now what is the link? That is the URL locator of Google, which you will put in between this double quotation mark here. So now we have the HTTP text transfer protocol, if I could remember. Put the S, we have the semicolon, and we have the forward slash here. We have let's put www.google.com. For the sake of this tutorial, I put it online. I have a data connection, which will test it whether we are working on a appropriate line. Okay, now let's save it. Let's display it. This is my folder that I save. Which one did I even use? I didn't create a folder, I just, okay, it is emphasis and strong. This is the file name, I save it to it. Let's view it. Google Chrome. Wow. Okay, now I'm sorry. Okay, I put the Google it. Let's cut it here. Try to put it here in between the anchor tag. You save it. That's where I make the mistake. So now come and refresh your page. You see it? The Google It here turns out to be a link. If you click it now, since I have internet connection, I'll be redirected to Google. You see it? It is working. So now let's go back. Let's create the relative link here. To know about me, please, you can check my index page. Index page. Okay, now let's try to find that anchor tag. What is my index text? Index page being renamed is index dot html. Now let me just say check here. Inside our document, that is our root folder that I'm working right now. Let's try to save it. If I save it here, let's head over to Chrome. Just refresh it. Okay, now if I check it now, you see it? This is element content that is inside of my index page. Hello world, I'm learning coding. If you go back to your text editor, let's try to check our index. What is inside? You see it? Hello world, I'm learning coding, which is displaying on our browser here. Go back. Let's try to give it space here. Save it. Okay, now this is about links for today. This is actually the way. The first one is external link and the second one is relative link. The first one, you can navigate the URL to external link, and the second one inside of your root folder. Thank you. It is nice coding site. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to ring the bell. You can share a comment. You can drop down a comment, or you can share this video if possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.